Hello and welcome to our Python series. In this video series, we will take an in-depth journey through Python, covering everything from its history and foundational concepts to advanced features and best practices. In the vast landscape of programming languages, there exists a powerful and versatile tool that has captured the hearts of developers worldwide. Meet Python, the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. Python is more than just a language. It's a multi-tool for every job. Need to build a website? Python. Analyzing massive datasets? Python. Automating boring tasks or crafting the next AI breakthrough? Yep, Python can do that too. But here is the real magic. Python is user-friendly. Its syntax is clear and easy to read. So you can spend more time creating and less time decoding the meaning of. The Python community is another reason why it's so popular. Need advice or inspiration? There are forums, libraries, and countless tutorials. You're never coding alone. Python has your back. Python's versatility means it's used everywhere, from tech startups to global corporations, from finance to healthcare. Basically, it's a language that grows with you. Whether you're building your first project or leading a major development team. So if you're asking why Python, the answer is simple. Because it makes coding fun, accessible, and incredibly powerful. It's a question asked by many curious minds entering the world of programming. Python is not just a language, it's a gateway to boundless creativity and innovations. Python's versatility is unmatched. Whether you're building websites, analyzing data, or creating algorithms, Python has a tool for every job. Python's simplicity and readability make it an ideal language for teaching programming concepts in educational institutions. Many universities and colleges use Python as an introductory language for computer science courses, as it allows students to focus on fundamental concepts without getting bogged down in syntax. And let's not forget about automation. Python's ability to automate tasks saves time and boosts productivity. Python's extensive libraries make data analysis a breeze. From pandas for data manipulation to matplotlib for visualization, Python has it all. Python frameworks like Django and Flask make web development a joy. They provide powerful tools and conventions that streamline the development process. Python's popularity in the AI community is undeniable. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch empower researchers to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Even Python is widely used in the finance industry for quantitative analysis, algorithmic trading, and risk management. Python is increasingly used in the gaming industry for developing game prototypes, scripting game logic, and building game engines. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, Python is fueling innovation across industries. It's a language that grows with you. Whether you're starting your coding journey or leading a team of developers, Python opens doors, fuels creativity, and empowers you to make a difference. So are you ready to unlock your coding potential? Overall, Python's versatility, simplicity, and rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks have made it a dominant force in various industries, empowering developers to innovate and solve complex problems across diverse domains. Well done! Up next, we will take a closer look at different Python topics. Stay tuned.